In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks efficiently, focusing on working with transactions and utilizing the chart of accounts. Whether you're managing your own finances or working with a client, these steps will streamline your process and help you maintain clear, organized accounts. First, let's head over to QuickBooks, which is pivotal for managing business accounts online. To begin, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for QuickBooks, or simply search for QuickBooks online and click on the official site. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. A smooth start here will set the tone for an efficient session. Now that we're logged in, navigate your way to Transactions, an essential feature where you can oversee all your financial activity. You'll find this option prominently displayed on the sidebar menu on the dashboard. Clicking on Transactions allows you to view your history of payments, invoices, and bills in one place. This comprehensive overview is invaluable in monitoring the inflow and outflow of money, ensuring that all transactions align with your expectations. At this juncture, it can be beneficial to regularly export reports or use filtering options to fine-tune what you'd like to see, which enhances both clarity and decision-making. Next, take a click over to the Banking section, and from there you'll head into the Chart of Accounts. This feature acts as the backbone of your financial data within QuickBooks. Each account or category of expenditure and income is neatly organized here. It's like the directory for all your financial information. Imagine each item as a label on a folder that contains related transactions. This organizational tool helps you categorize correctly, ensuring you always have a handle on where your finances stand and making tax season far less daunting and much more efficient. Once you're in the chart of accounts, the next step is to click on View Register. This action opens up each account's detailed transactions, allowing you to see every entry individually. Here, you'll want to periodically verify entries, ensuring they're accurate and that there are no discrepancies. This transparency is crucial in maintaining accurate financial records. Keep in mind that erroneous data spells trouble down the line, so a bit of diligence up front saves time and headaches later. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough to help you make the most out of QuickBooks functionalities. By incorporating these steps into your routine, you'll find managing financial accounts becomes not just easier, but more intuitive. You'll gain a deeper understanding of your financial landscape, allowing you to make informed decisions with confidence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to practice these steps regularly to enhance your QuickBooks experience.